up, guys? At Willow Springs today at the balcony, drifting at a Slide Factory official drift event. It's a different kind of event. Normally these things start super early in the morning and stop around 4 to 5. Today's event starts at 2 and goes to about 10 p.m. The goal is that hopefully once the sun starts setting, the temperatures cool down, but for now, it's over 100 degrees outside. I am super sweaty already, haven't even started driving yet, but the homies are here. I got Tim and his E46 and Dowd brought his crazy N55 335i out. Hopefully we can get some tandems in, hopefully we can have some fun, and again, hopefully I can continue learning to drive the car with the SLR Ultra angle kit and the new ISC N1 coilovers. Let's hit the track. The balance of the car is so crazy because I have these hand-cooked semi-slicks. They're literally TD competition tire soft compound in the front, and in the back, I have takeoffs from the Project Civic SI. So Nexon Sur 4Gs in the back, 225, totally heat cycled out. God, that was sick. Did you see that? I mean, granted, it bogged in third gear pretty hard. I need more power or more speed probably, but that was sick. First casualty of the day. I don't know if I debeat it or just like what happened. I lost air and this front tire had to go pop. Hopefully the tire isn't damaged or anything. Unfortunately, the problem's a little bit more complicated than I thought. At my last drift event, I realized I cut the inner sidewall of one of my lead tires, and I figured it's from going off at Grange, but the same exact thing happened to this tire. This brand new tire is now junk, and it's my fault because I didn't catch the issue. The issue is my inner frame rails. You can see I'm rubbing on the front part of the frame rail and the rear part, as well as, interestingly, the control arm itself. This is, again, an 18x8 wheel with a 12 offset with a 12 mil spacer, effective offset plus 0. I'm not sure how much lower offset I need to go to clear the chassis, but apparently even lower. Now the problem is you can see the chassis, the frame rail is actually buckled here up. This is super sharp, and that's what snagged my tire and cut it in half. So I'm gonna hammer this out. Unfortunately, I don't have any other wheels that are low enough offset to give me much angle, but I'm gonna have to make do with what I've got. So, hammer time. It sucks I wasted a brand new nice tire, and I'm now compromised on an angle I can have all day, but that should be okay. All right, that's a lot of work, a lot of suspension checking, but I'm running my 16s up front with big spacers. It looks like it clears the chassis at full lock on jack stands, so we're gonna go drive the car and see how it does. The 16s up front and some new tires in the back. Well, newer. Let's hit it. I think Tim got confused because the guy in front took a different line that he wasn't anticipating, but otherwise, awesome. Can I follow? E46! I got tire smoke in my eyes! Woo! Yes! Dude, we all got it, just go! And I'm like,
I was balls deep and I was like, oh shit!
Oh, that was a smoky one. Look at that. I think my rear tires are done. I hear cords flapping around. All right, more 3-car tandems. Let's do this shit. Yep. All right, leading the 3-car tandem. I think my clutch isn't happy. It feels like it's slipping. tire due to my own idiocy, but some hammer time fixed that, and the car was, as usual, a tank the rest of the day. Super fun getting all those tandems in. It was really interesting, definitely doing